What time are we setting off at?
9:48.
Right. You ready?
Yeah. Why did it stop counting?
Huh?
Why did it stop counting?
10. Here we go.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Square left and square left into the merge. Keep tight on exit to go square left. Into hairpin right. Then we're going square right. Into square left. Square right into square left.
Oh, that one's a bit tight.
Then keep wide on exit.
Yep.
For an open chicane.
That one's very tight.
That's tight. Wide on exit for the open chicane.
Ready on your horn. Get on your horn. That's it.
Right. Keep right after this bill to go square left and then square right. Square right and square left. Then we're going left NB single chicane and keep right to the split. Right at the split.
I missed the chicane.
Oh.
Sorry. Missed that one.
Right at the split, and then after the right, you're going right NB triple chicane. Right NB triple chicane. Let me follow the track.
Just normal, yeah?
Yeah, normal. Then we're going left NB triple chicane.
Get on your horn.
Keep tight on exit, into a square left. Into hairpin right. And we're going square right into a square left. And then a square left into a square right.
This was tight, wasn't it?
Yeah. Sorry, I put tight on the next one. And then a square right into a square left tight.
Ah!
Keep out wide at the exit for an open chicane.
Get on your horn.
Oh, sorry. Maybe for too much then. And then keep right after the mill for a square left. Sorry, that was my bad.
It's alright.
Keep right after this bill, square left into square right. Square right into square left. And then left. My bad. Left entry, single chicane,
Yeah.
split right. Split right. And after the right, you're a right entry, triple chicane. Right entry, triple chicane. Then just follow the track. Then we're a left entry, triple chicane.
One, two, three. It works.
Yeah. Keep tight on exit for a square left. Into the hairpin right. And we're going square right into square left. And we're going square left into square right tight. And then square right into square left tight. Keep wide on the...
They're really tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wide on the exit, open chicane. Woo! Keep right after the bill to go square left. Into square right. Into square right, into square left. Then we're going left entry, single chicane, and left at the split. Left at the split. Over the finish. I think I pressed the button too early to finish.
Right.
I couldn't decide whether it was the yellow board or the red
You're
board.
right. Honestly, that was mint.
Yeah? I enjoyed that.
Dear me. I think we overdid 4 cars.
Yeah? I like my horn. I maybe overpressed it a bit.
Maybe a little bit.
To be fair, once my foot was over it, the car moving made us press it.
Might have hit a few bills, like.
Yeah, I think you did clip a few bills.